I will talk about how can you disable recommended content notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. Just click on it. Click here on push notifications. You click on it here. So then you click here on go to settings. You just click on it. You come to next step here. You click here on notification categories here. So then you come to this list. You come here to recommended content here. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my recommended content notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,